Welcome, sir.
Yes. Sit.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Sit. Tell me something about yourself.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Shrivansh Rana. I am 19 years old and I am from Mandi, Himachal Pradesh. My father has served in Indian Army for 26 years. My mother is a housemaker. Apart from my family, I have a younger brother. He is currently studying in 10th class. My hobbies are watching anime and playing football.
Watching
Anime and playing football.
anime and playing football. Okay. Your PCM percentage in 12th class?
So 91%.
91%. Okay. And your rank?
Sir, 4575.
4575. So according to your PCM percentage, your rank is a bit low. Why so?
Because after 12th, there was a sudden mismatch on studies. I can't study much, and I take IMCT light. I thought that IMCT is very easy and can clear very easily, but as a result came out, the outcome is totally different as I thought.
What are your other achievements?
Sir, I have been a part of NSS for 2 years.
Part of
NSS,
NSS,
National Service Scheme.
National Service. What is that? I don't know about that.
Sir, it is a NSS stands for National Service Scheme. It was launched in 1965 on the principle of Mahatma Gandhi. It is basically to help others in some critical situations, like there is a flash flood in Himachal Pradesh recently. The volunteer NSS team is going to help them by giving them food, supplies, aid, and rescue them from the dangerous areas.
So you are studying also. Your PCM is 91. Your rank is this, and do you have enough time to do all these things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is a good thing. You said you play football.
Yes, sir.
Do you watch football?
Not very much, but I play it when I have a free time only.
Okay. Who is your favorite player in football?
Lionel Messi.
Why?
Lionel Messi, sir, because he is one of the greatest achiever in football. He scored approx 677 goals in total career. He started playing football at early age, around 12 years. He started playing football. He secured 6 golden boots and recently won the recent FIFA 2022.
Okay. Just give me a second. Three positive things about Messi.
Sir, he has great leadership qualities. He know how to handle situation very dangerous. He know how to handle situation in very pressure area, and he is a good player. He thought other players before himself. He gives opportunity to other players to score goals before himself.
Three negative things about Messi.
So sometimes he become very aggressive by playing. I only know one negative, sir.
You only know one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Tell me your strengths.
So my strength is I'm adaptable to various kinds of situations. I'm hardworking about my hardworking and practical about the situation given to me.
And
Practical.
Okay. Can you give me the example of all these three things? Like adaptive, hardworking, and practical. I want one separate example.
Sir, as my father has served in Indian Army, he has a regular transfer within 3 years. So I have traveled many districts and I am adaptable to every state I enter. I have lived in Uttar Pradesh, I have lived in Haryana, I have lived in Punjab, and I will live in Himachal also.
Okay.
Handworking, sir, I dedicated 2 years of my life to my 12 boards. And sir, about my practicals, sir, if you give me some questions, I will make a practical solution of it. If it is possible.
Okay, I'm giving you 1 crore rupees.
Yes, sir.
How will you spend it wisely?
First of all, I will make a 25%, both equal part of 25%. The first 25% I will be investing in real estate or in funds. And another 25% I will buy a land or buy a house. And remaining 25 I will give my family to spend. And another last 25 I will spend on myself. Like I will learn some skills like business administrative and money investment skills and some of my liabilities.
But you are going in merchant navy, so if you are interested in business and all these things, money management business and all, so why are you not going in business? Why do you want to join merchant navy?
But merchant navy gives me a platform of regular income, where business it can be or it cannot be. If I have a regular source of income, I can invest in money in other places also.
So other jobs can also give you regular income. Why merchant navy only?
So merchant navy gives me structure and clarity about my job, whereas many of the jobs doesn't give me the structure and clarity. Example, in IT sector, you don't know when was your promotion will be. But in merchant navy, you know after some times of 18 months of shipping, you give some exams and you have promoted third year, and after 18 years, you will be as a second officer.
Okay. Okay. Can you tell me anything or anything you want to do which you can do with a flow, like you forget about the time and you are doing this that particular thing.
Sir, I can play video games and football.
You can
Play video games and football.
video games and football
Yes, sir.
with a flow.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because sir, I love doing that.
Because of challenges or your talent in that?
Because of such challenges, video game game is various challenges, various levels, and football every match has a unique experience. Every match gives me a unique experience.
Okay, can you tell me 10 different parts of a ship?
Yes, sir. Sir, Neel, bow, hull, monkey bridge, mast, accommodation, LNG tanks, navigation bridge, rudder, propeller,
One.
deck.
Okay, what is the difference between rolling and pitching?
Sir, rolling is the upward and downward movement of a ship, where rolling is the left to side banking of a ship.
Come again?
Rolling is upward and downward motion of a ship, whereas pitching is left to right banking of ship.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is a cargo?
So anything which transfer through ships is called cargo.
What is the weight of anchor?
Anchor varies from ship to ship, but it is from 8,000 kg to 30,000 kgs.
Okay. Can you tell me 5 countries in northern hemisphere?
Northern Hemisphere: India, China, Russia, Japan.
Okay. What is the difference between latitude and longitude?
So latitude are the imaginary lines running from east to west, whereas the longitudes are the imaginary lines running from north to south.
What is the full form of IST and GMT?
IST stands for Indian Standard Time, and GMT stands for Greenwich Meridian Time.
What is the full form of radar and sonar?
Sorry.
Name of 5 oceans.
Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Okay. What is Newton's second law of motion?
Newton's second law of motion states that the change in force is directly proportional to the change in momentum per unit.
Change in force,
Force is directly proportional to the change in momentum.
change in momentum.
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What is momentum?
Momentum is mass into velocity.
Is it vector or scalar?
It is scalar.
What is linear angular momentum?
Sorry, sir.
What is moment of inertia?
Sorry, sir.
Okay, what is the difference between static and kinetic friction?
The static friction applies on an object which is at rest, whereas kinetic friction is applied on the object which are moving.
Which one is constant?
The kinetic friction.
Okay. What is surface tension?
So surface tension is defined in the force per unit length, per unit area, force per unit area.
Okay, what is the difference between cohesive and adhesive forces?
Cohesive forces are forces which are between similar molecules. The cohesive are those forces which are between two different molecules.
Cohesive or adhesive?
Adhesive.
Adhesive.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is Doppler's effect?
Doppler effect says that there is a change in wave frequency. There is change in wave frequency when the observer and the source of wavelength is a relative motion.
Okay, what is the formula for that?
The F dash is equal to F into V plus V naught over V plus Vs into F.
Okay, what is Kepler's third law of planetary motion?
So time period taken for a planet to roll around the sun is directly proportional to the cube of the semi-major axis of the vector drawn from a planet to the sun. That is t square directly proportional to a cube.
T square is, so you have to say square of time period.
Yes, sir.
You said time period.
Square of time period directly proportional to the cube of semi-major axis.
What is Lench's law?
Lench.
Lench. L-E. Magnetism.
Magnetism. The induced EMF in a coil.
Yeah.
The induced EMF coil. The direction of induced EMF in a coil is opposite to the cause of producing it.
Formula?
E is equal to minus L d phi by dt.
ओके चलो सम अप करते हैं इसको, ठीक है। इंटरव्यू तेरा बहुत फास्ट हुआ है, फटाफट फटाफट सारी चीज़ें हुई हैं, ठीक है। मतलब जनरल अपीयरेंस प्रेजेंटेशन तो फुल मार्क्स भी दे सकता हूँ मैं। हेयर कट थोड़ा सा और अच्छा कर लेना अपना, ठीक है, ताकि थोड़ा कैडेट जैसा लुक आए। फैशन में भी ठीक है, बाय मर्चेंट नेवी और दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछा वो भी ठीक है। एम्बिशन एंड सिचुएशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो गुड। अचीवमेंट एंड हॉबीज ऑल्सो गुड, ठीक है। नॉलेज अबाउट मर्चेंट नेवी गुड। केवल इसमें एक चीज गड़बड़ थी, रोलिंग एंड पिचिंग का डेफिनेशन मुझे लग रहा तूने उल्टा बोला है,
शायद से उल्टा बोला है,
ठीक है। तो वो एक क्रॉस चेक करना, वो मैंने लिख रखा है। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल ठीक है, कहीं कहीं पे गड़बड़ है। हाँ, इसमें भी एक जगह पे जैसे कील है, कील का नाम तूने नील बोल दिया है, वो गलत है। कहीं कहीं पे थोड़ी सी ग्रामेटिकल मिस्टेक्स है, लेकिन वो तुम ठीक कर सकते हो। थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, बहुत स्लो है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्लो है। जैसे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ना, तो कई चीज़ें मुझे सुनाई भी नहीं पड़ी, तो मैंने दोबारा पूछी है। बॉडी लैंग्वेज ठीक है, लेकिन थोड़ा मतलब लाउडनेस बढ़ाओ, ठीक है। यहाँ पे 2 नंबर दे रहा हूँ मैं। टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, या तो स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है या फिर तुम भूल गए यहाँ पे आते ही सारे।
जो आपने पूछा वही नहीं पढ़े,
वही नहीं पढ़े थे,
रोटेशन नहीं पढ़ा मैंने भी।
अब जैसे F इक्वल टू dp ओवर dt होता है,
चेंज इन मोमेंटम,
रेट ऑफ चेंज ऑफ
मोमेंटम,
रेट यूज करना जरूरी है वहाँ पे। फिर मैंने पूछा मोमेंटम, तूने स्केलर बोल दिया उसको, वेक्टर है वो, ठीक है। तभी तो फोर्स भी वेक्टर आता है। फिर एंगुलर मोमेंटम mi तेरा वैसे ही चला गया। सरफेस टेंशन फोर्स पर यूनिट लेंथ पहले तूने बोला, फिर उसको काट के फोर्स पर यूनिट एरिया कर दिया, क्योंकि वो फोर्स पर यूनिट लेंथ ही होता है। मतलब हम क्या करते हैं, सरफेस पे अगर एक लाइन बनाए, इमेजिनरी लाइन, और उस पर जो फोर्स लग रहा होगा मॉलिक्यूल्स का, दैट फोर्स पर यूनिट लेंथ। तो पहले सही बोल करके बाद में गलत कर दिया, तो इसलिए यहाँ तेरे करीब करीब 5 नंबर कटे। एप्टीट्यूड वाला क्वेश्चन जो था वो रेडार और सोनार क्यों नहीं याद है यार, तो फटाफट याद कर लो। रेडियो डिटेक्शन एंड रेंजिंग, साउंड नेविगेशन एंड रेंजिंग, ठीक है। तो ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस थोड़ा ठीक है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छा किया जा सकता है, इससे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा किया जा सकता है। क्योंकि अगर तूने ये क्वेश्चन भी बता दिए होते तो फिर मैं तुझे नेक्स्ट लेवल के क्वेश्चन पे लेकर के जाता, ठीक है। तो नेक्स्ट टाइम ज़्यादा काम करेंगे टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन पे। कुछ और डाउट्स है तेरे?
सर वो IMI के फॉर्म्स आउट हुए थे। IMI मतलब होता क्या है उसमें? जैसे वो कंपनी के फॉर्म्स तो है नहीं, वो कॉलेज के फॉर्म्स हैं।
अरे उस कॉलेज में जो कंपनीज आएंगी उसके लिए वो, तो उसमें फ्लीट आती है, फ्लीट
आएगी, फ्लीट अलग से भी तो आएगी।
फ्लीट और वॉल्यूम,
हाँ वॉल्यूम,
हाँ तो भर दो बस, उसमें मतलब कुछ इशू।
डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू होंगे मेरे, फिर ये का एंट्रेंस होगा, पहले
एंट्रेंस होगा
कंपनी का फिर कॉलेज का।
कॉलेज का अब तो नहीं होना चाहिए, पहले कॉलेज का होता था, अब तो मेरे ख्याल से नहीं होना चाहिए क्योंकि अब तो फ्लीट के अंडर में है सब कुछ। तो मेरे ख्याल से इस बार तो नहीं होना चाहिए, पहले कॉलेज का सेपरेट होता था ये। ठीक है, भरने में कोई इशू नहीं है, भर सकते हो।
Okay, sir.